The first time I had trouble with my knee was about 3 o'clock in the morning. One morning, I rolled over in bed and felt something snap in my knee, and I could hardly walk. I mean, getting down the stairs, I had to go down the stairs on my tail. Couldn't put any weight on it. I came in to see Dr. Wallace, and he basically set me for an MRI. Long story short, I had a torn meniscus. So scheduled that for, he repaired that, and then my knee got progressively worse. He worked with me over the course of several years, just letting me know, my options. And this was going back about 10 years ago. And knee replacement at the time, he didn't recommend it because of my age. The shelf life on a new knee is anywhere, depending on your activity level, anywhere between 10 and say 17 years. So in my early 50s, probably not the best time to get it done. So again, I waited till I was over 60. We kind of treated that with cortisone shots and then some other types of injections over the next several years. It got progressively worse. So it came time to have the knee replaced. And again, Dr. Wallace was great. He laid out my options for me. And let me make the decision. And there was never any pressure to say have surgery now, have surgery later. It was just totally my choice the whole process. Basically, how much discomfort I could put up with. And about 8 months out, I decided to have my other knee done. So the past 2 years now, I've gone through a total knee replacement. And right now, it's probably, looking back on it, it's the best decision I ever made. Walking now without any pain. I actually played tennis with my son this past summer. My version of tennis, anyway. But it's been a great experience. The people have been fantastic. I mean, the practice itself, I'd highly recommend. They're very professional as far as scheduling appointments, making appointments, being seen when I needed to be seen. Everything was top rate. If you're having serious knee pain, I would have it checked out. And have someone, the quality of Dr. Wallace, that would explain your options for you. And then for me, it was an ideal situation because he didn't put any pressure on me.